We all ride. We ride a lot. This past October, several of us just finished a ride where we literally Atlantic to Pacific. The tow went in the Atlantic Ocean, the watch started, and it stopped when we hit the Pacific. 43 hours, 36 minutes. One of the best rides I ever had. I love doing that. I love doing it with my daughter. I love doing it with my friends. And every other person that enjoys it ought to be able to do it with the same freedoms, the same rights as anybody that decides they want to get in a car and drive around. And I think having someone that has that passion for riding comes across to the jury. Every attorney in our firm is a rider. And when I say that, I don't mean that everyone in our firm has a motorcycle endorsement on their license. I mean every attorney is a rider, is an avid rider, is passionate about riding, is passionate about riders. We understand riding. All of us are riders. We understand the things that motorcyclists face when they're on the road. We can explain it to a jury because we've done it ourselves. We may not have been in the crash that the person who's been injured was in, but we've been cut off. There's nobody that's done any amount of motorcycling that hasn't been crowded out of their lane, that hasn't had someone do something that hasn't forced them to take some action to avoid a crash. We've been there. We understand how a motorcycle differs from an automobile. Obviously, we drive automobiles ourselves, but we ride extensively. I think the other thing that is different, our legal fees go back into motorcycling, go back into improving motorcycling for motorcyclists.
The Motorcycle Law Group.